Welcome back to my channel, Tidbit Tech here, where I create content on tech reviews, unboxing, and tutorials. Today we're unboxing the Sonos One Gen 2 speakers. We'll look at the included items inside the box, initial setup, and general functionality. So let's take a look. The speaker comes well packaged. There's a felt cloth material that covers the Sonos One within the box. Inside, all we have is a manual, the speaker itself, and a power cable. While taking the speaker out of the box, it was surprisingly heavy given its small size. On the site, the Sonos One is advertised as weighing about 4 pounds. There are 5 buttons. At the top, we have a mute button to mute the speaker from hearing any commands and for privacy reasons. On the right, there's a volume up. On the left, there's a volume down. And there's a pause and play button in the center. The last button is located on the back to sync the speaker to your phone. The speaker also has an Ethernet port to connect directly to your modem and the power outlet at the bottom where the cord would go. Initial setup. Setup was straightforward. What I did was download the Sonos app onto my phone and followed the instructional prompts there. I did have to create a Sonos account to get started. From there, all the functionality runs over Wi-Fi, so you then need to connect the speaker to the modem, either wirelessly or through an Ethernet port. I was able to set up my speaker with Google Assistant as my default voice command and Spotify as my default music player. As I use the speaker, I'll definitely test the other services available like Audible. And keep in mind, this is not a Bluetooth speaker and there is no audio jack. All of its content capabilities are done over voice or through their app. With built-in Google Assistant, you do have full functionality of Google commands, minus the visual commands that a Google Home would display, of course. I assume it'd be the same with Alexa and AirPlay too.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets you out.
Wow, this speaker can get really loud. I was not expecting it to get that loud without the sound distorting, but it just sounded so clear. I also did not max out the volume because there is other people inside the house. For now, I'll have the speaker on my desk and I'll place it in different places throughout my room and around the house in the coming week. But my initial thoughts are, this is a nice speaker. With rich bass and a premium build quality, it's basically a little black box that can pack a punch. The design is so simple and sleek, I can see it fitting in any room setting without standing out as, hey, look, I'm an expensive speaker. It can essentially go in an office, a kitchen, or a bedroom. You're only limited by the length of the power cable. This was my unboxing and initial impressions of the Sonos One Gen 2 speaker. Stay tuned for my comprehensive review. In the meantime, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what sound system you currently have and if you have plans to upgrade. Thanks for watching.